Agajala. Myntri rangba du kari ulas ngau bah shikat day banyo ba kamang Tyngka nagbenta karoy kapar jong kajala kalakiw arsha haki sansnem baladem. Aga jinglet yakendu kabaar jong ukon rat sangma bat Myntri Tnat pela Tyngka ka sitaraman ula kampai kmat ban pentip yaka shapangki project repair ki bayo Jingkyrshan na kasokar India. Ula kedau yaki project ki belayo Jingkyrshan na shabar bat ru yaki wede ki kampen roy ha kajala.
To see the different kind of works that are happening in the state, and especially very pleased to see that the overall developmental budget for the state in the last few years has gone up by more than double in the last 5 years, almost touching triple of what it used to be 5-6 years back, and also different kind of other development works that are going on. And I requested the Honorable Finance Minister to support us further in the externally aided projects, as the Government of India has put a cap on different states on the limit to which states can take externally aided projects, and hence we have requested her to increase the ceiling and give additional projects to states who are performing, states like Meghalaya, which have already taken a large number of projects, but since our performance has been good,